Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Monday, March 18th. Got our warmest week so far of this year ahead, with afternoon highs in the 50s and 60s each day. But beyond that, our more organized system will be moving in for this weekend, bringing a mix of rain and snow. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today: high pressure will remain in place through much of the week. We'll keep the conditions seasonably warm, dry, quiet. So if you're looking for anything outdoors Monday through Friday, should be a great time to do that. We'll see a slight chance for some showers returning later in the week. Isolated showers mostly in the mountains starting later in the day Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with increasing chances for some more widespread action as we head into the weekend. Get some colder air in here, mix of rain, snow, and wind as a more organized system moves into the area. And a quick look at satellite for you this morning. Just some passing upper level cirrus clouds this morning, but overall should be plenty of sunshine over the coming days. And a look at the bigger picture for you. So high pressure fully in control. We got a Rex block set up here, which is a low pressure over the desert southwest and a high pressure ridge directly to its north. So what that means is an extended period of some pretty quiet and dry conditions for our region, but plenty of moisture to our west. All it's going to take is just this blocking ridge to shift east, in which that's expected to do heading into later in the week. Weather outlook for your next 5 days, we'll just focus on a slight chance for some rain and mountain snow showers for the later part of Wednesday and then into Thursday and Friday as well. Those chances will increase as we head into Saturday and Sunday. And temperatures today should be an overall mild morning. Morning lows in those 20s and 30s. Afternoon highs comfortable in the 50s to mid 60s. And for Tuesday, we'll keep that warmer trend going. 20s and 30s in the morning, followed by afternoon highs in the 50s to mid 60s. And for Wednesday, this looks like it's going to be the warmest day of the week, so ahead of some slight precipitation chances moving in, a little bit more cloud cover. I'm going to start off the day in the 20s, 30s, low 40s, with afternoon highs well into the 50s to upper 60s. Best potential for 70 degrees will be possible in the Magic Valley for your Wednesday afternoon. And for Thursday, not a whole lot of change there. Comfortable morning in the 20s, 30s, and 40s. Afternoon highs coming down just a little bit, more coverage in those 40s, 50s, to low 60s. And for Friday, rinse and repeat of Thursday, 20s and 30s in the morning, afternoon highs in the 50s and 60s. And here's a look at those weekend high temperatures, kind of showing you as we go into this weekend. Going to get some cooler air in here, next system kind of rolling in. So high Saturday, pushing down to the 40s and 50s. But for Sunday, more coverage of those 30s and 40s, supporting those better chances for snow across our lower elevations, especially during those overnight hours. And with that, again, we're looking at here at temperature for 500 millibar height anomalies. So when it comes to those really broad ridge of high pressure in the west, that'll keep things fairly dry over the next several days. Just some isolated chances as we head towards the middle part of the week, as a shortwave works to kind of knock the ridge down and its amplitude, at least in our region. So with that, keeping an eye on that, but should be pretty isolated until we get into the weekend. Again, models are showing pretty good confidence here. European on the left, GFS on the right of that system moving in from the Pacific. With that, for around that Saturday, Sunday time frame, broad upper level trough swinging on shore, bringing a mix of rain, snow, and wind. That'll kind of be the going trend as we head into early next week as well. Very well amplified ridge to our west, so that's going to keep a trough over much of the western United States. And with respect to snowfall amounts as well, so again, just a first look at that. So we'll keep things nice and dry through Wednesday afternoon. Some isolated showers build in later in the day, especially across our northern and eastern mountain ranges for Thursday and Friday. But overall, staying fairly dry, not seeing much impacts for that. But you can see for Saturday, Sunday, as that trough moves on shore, some more widespread snow potential will exist across much of our mountain areas, lighter in the valleys, but certainly keeping an eye on that rain-snow mix for those areas, but not certainly out of winter just yet in Idaho. Going to keep those rain and snow chances going into early next week as well. And the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook reflects this well. Again, broad trough over the west, keeping some below normal favorite temperatures, returning for the later part of March. And with respect to precipitation, again, keeping a focus on there in the southern Great Basin up into our area for some above normal favorite precipitation. That's kind of in line with that forecast, showing that broad trough moving into the area. 8 to 14 keeps us in that below normal favorite temperatures. So overall highs this time of year are typically in the mid 40s to low 50s. So if we get below that, that'll kind of be the going trend as we round out the month. And 8 to 14 precip, things will stay generally active as we round out the month. So if you're looking for a nice, quiet, dry period of weather, Monday through Friday this week looks to be pretty good. We'll get some unsettled weather building in for your weekend into the last week of March. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome work week and stay safe out there.